Hello, how to evaluate with our calculator? This is 16 power 5 minus 16 power 4. Now we have 5 here. We can express this 5 as summation of 1, 1 because we have 4 here already. I'm going to have 16 power, this is 4 plus 1 minus 16 power 4. Now if you have a to the power of x plus y, this equals a power x times a to the power of y. So applying this right here, we'll have 16 to the power of 4 times 16 to the power of 1 minus 16 to the power of 4. So right here, there's 16 power 4, there's 16 power 4. So I can factor that out. I have 16 power 4 times, this would divide 16 power 4, so we have 16. Minus 16 power 4 would divide 16 power 4, I have 1. So right here, I will have 16 to the power of 4 times 16 minus 1, I have 15. Now remember, 16 is a perfect square. 16 is 4 to the power of 2. And from here, 4 itself is a perfect square, which is 2 to the power of 2. This is raised to the power of 2. So if I multiply this exponent, that means 16 is 2 to the power of 4, right? If that is the case, I'm going to have 2 to the power of 4 raised to the power of 4 times 15. And if you have a raised to the power of x raised to the power of y, this equals a power x times y. So we multiply 4 times 4, that is 16. I'll have 2 power 16 times 15. Now, what I can do next is, I need to find the value of 2 power 16. I can express this 16 as summation of 10 and 6. I have 2 power 10 plus 6 times 15. Now you have a power x plus y. This equals a power x times a power y. So applying that right here, I have 2 power 10 times 2 power 6 times 15. Now remember, we have discovered that 2 power 4 equals 16. So 2 power 5 equals 32. 2 power 6 will be 32 times 2, that is 64, right? So this will be 2 to the power of 10 times, this is 64 times 15. Now, if 2 power 5 is 32, that means 2 to the power of 10 will be 2 to the power of 5 times 2. And that means this is 2 power 5 raised to the power of 2. And 2 power 5 is 32, that means this is 32 power 2. And this is 32 times what? 32, and this will give you 1024. You can multiply that out. So this is 1024 times 64 times 15. So let's start by multiplying 1024 times 64. So we have 1024 times 64. 4 times 4, that is 16. I have 6 and carry over 1. 4 times 2, 8, 8 plus 1, 9. 4 times 0, that is 0. 4 times 1, that is 4. Then we proceed to 6. 6 times 4, 24. 4 carry over 2. 6 times 2, 12. 12 plus 2, 14. 4 carry over 1. 6 times 0, 0, 0 plus 1. We have 1. 6 times 1, we have 6. So let's add up. This is 6. This is 13. 3 carry over 1 out here. This will be 5. This is 5. And this is 6. So we are going to multiply this by 15 to get the final answer. So we have 6, 5, 5, 36 times 15. So we start 5 times 6, 30, 0 carry over 3. 5 times 3, 15 plus 3, 18. 8 carry over 1. 5 times 5 again, 25, 25 plus 1. 26, 6 carry over 2. 5 times 5 again, 25, 25 plus 2, 27. 7 carry over 2. 5 times 6, that is 30, 30 plus 2, that is 32. So let's proceed to 1. 1 times 6, 6. 1 times 3, 3. 1 times 5, 5. 1 times 5 again, 5. 1 times 6, we have 6. So let's add. We add together. This is 0. I have my 0. This is 14. 4 carry over 1 add here. This becomes 7 plus 3, 10. 0 carry over 1 add here. This becomes 8. 8 plus 5, that is 13. 8 plus 5 is 13. 3 carry over 1 add here. This will be 3 plus 5, that is 8. And 3 plus 6, that is 9. So we simply have 16 power 5 minus 16 power 4 equals 983,040. And don't also forget the fact that 16 is 2 power 4, what we said earlier on is power 5, minus this is 2 power 4 again, and this power 4. This is same number 983,040. So if you go ahead and multiply this and multiply this, you have 2 power 4 times 5, that is 20, minus 2 power 4 times 4, that is 16. This will also give you 983,040, meaning 983,040. So guys, here is it. This is our final answer for that. I believe you enjoyed this. Don't forget to subscribe and share. Thank you and goodbye.